Hello everyone. Today's topic name is a component of JSP. So we in last session we studied what is JSP. JSP means Java Server Pages for used create a web application. So here components of JSP means the used in JSP are the tags. We will learn about various elements available in JSP with suitable examples. In JSP, element can be divided into four different types. So there are expressions, scriptlets, directives, and declarations. So first, expression. So expression tags are used for output any data on the generated pages. This data are automatically converted to string and printed the all output string. So syntax of in expression tag are in angular bracket percent is equals to and write anything to see the output stream and close the tag. So here JSP expression starts with syntax JSP scriptlet and ends with the a percent angular bracket. Between this you can put anything so will convert to the string that is displayed on the web browser. So for example here in expression tag we write hello world. So above code means hello world is displayed on the web browser. So next is a scriptlet. The scriptlet tag are used for the inserting the data in amount of valid Java code. In these codes are placed a JSP service method to the JSP engine. So scriptlet are used for the write the Java code inside the JSP. So syntax of the scriptlet are angular bracket percent double slash Java code and percent close the angular bracket. So here scriptlet are used for in scriptlet tag inside the Java code we write. So variables available to JSP scriptlets are request, response, session and out. Next is directives. So JSP directive starts with the angular bracket percent and at the rate character. So in directive we can import packages and define error handling pages or the session information of the JSP pages. So in directives used for the give instructions to the JSP pages. Syntax are directories is in open angular bracket percent at the rate directive attributes or value and close the directive tag. So here page include tag lib are used in directives. Next are declarations. The tag is used defining the function and variable to be used in JSP. So declaration tag are used for the declare the variable and functions in the JSP pages. So syntax of the declarative tag are angular bracket percent exclamatory डबल स्लैश यहाँ पे कमेंट दिए है जावा कोड्स राइट करना है और tag are closed. So JSP directives begin with angular bracket percent exclamatory and ends with the percentage closed angular bracket. If we can embed any amount of Java code in the JSP directives, variables and functions defined in directives are class level and can be used anywhere on the JSP pages. So in declaration tag we write the Java code and we use JSP pages are anywhere. Next, all expression in one program we used the example for the all tags are used in that programs. So see this practically. So here we created one JSP code. So run the JSP file. We use the Apache Tomcat server. So its Apache Tomcat server are downloaded on the Google and add this project. So here we write the declaration tag, next scriptlet tag and expression tag. So run this code. Apache Tomcat server, finish it and see the output. So here the all tags are used and see the our output. So the work of the tags are used for different works.